Dr. Ikmay Chaudhary. You're watching Everyday Health Sir. Today's video is smelly urine. So in this video, I'll be talking everything about smelly urine. What are the causes behind of smell in your urine? What is diagnostic criteria? Best effective homeopathy medicine treating smelly urine. So requested to watch complete video. For complete information, if you're watching first time, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for further notification. So let's start with smell in urine. See, urine has ammonia, so there can be little smell, and this is completely normal. Your urine can smell like ammonical, due to ammonia, presence of ammonia. But once this is like very strong, unpleasant, or pungent, so this can be alarming. But this can be due to non-medical problem, means physiological. These causes are not medical causes, and they can be medical causes, and due to that you can have a smell in your urine. So let's start with non-medical causes. Sometime let's talk about the morning urination. If your urine is highly concentrated, so urine is highly concentrated, so that have high ammonia. So due to that, this can be strong odor. So number one, highly concentrated urine. Second is dehydration. If you are not properly hydrated, or you are not having proper amount of water, inadequate water intake, so that can cause dehydration. Due to that, you even have itching on your skin, dryness in your mouth, dryness of skin, so that causes smell in urine. Let's talk about the certain medicine or supplement, or even bad effect of medication. Supplement or vitamin B supplement cause sometimes smell in urine, so you can switch your supplement. And there are certain medicines, and these are certain antibiotics, particularly sulfonamides group of antibiotics, that can cause smell in urine. Now there are certain metabolites, and these are like some product, those are released during digestion, byproduct or products. A certain food product like asparagus, and these metabolites are excreted through urine. So your urine can cause strong odor due to these metabolites. These are the non-medical causes. Now the medical one, due to certain medical problem. Number one is diabetes. If you have diabetes, your urine smell can have sweet odor due to diabetes or sugar. Other one, these are like UTIs, urinary tract infection. If you have frequent UTIs, these are bacterial infections. So due to these bacteria, they proliferate, they grow into your urinary tract, and they can cause they can spread to your urinary tract, like your kidneys, bladder, or urethra. So due to frequent UTIs, your urine have unusual odor, unpleasant smell. There are other conditions. These are bacterial vaginosis, like in female, again a bacterial infection that can cause vaginal discharges, or that aggravates after physical intimacy, or that even causes urine smell, fishy smell in urine. These are certain medical causes. There can be different causes for different individual. The diagnostic criteria, how we diagnose this condition. There are different causes, non-medical and medical. So accordingly, your complete case history is taken, your all symptom is taken, your individual symptom, what all symptom are you having, whether it's a dehydration case, or you are having diabetes or UTIs. So treatment and diagnosis planned accordingly. So your certain blood tests are done to ruling out diabetes, or certain your kidney function test, your urine analysis, your urine culture, KFT sometimes to ruling out other kidney problem. So these are the certain tests, and even cystoscopy, or sometimes imaging tests are done to ruling out other major structural changes. So these are the certain diagnostic criteria. How to get rid of this smell? Strategies you can follow. See, if this is due to dehydration, you just have enough water. So there is your urine is diluted, just have enough water, and never ever hold the urge of urine. Once the urge strike, just go to the bathroom. So just release as soon as possible. Never ever hold your urine. And just have enough water, and avoid a strong odor like asparagus that causes a strong odor metabolites. So avoid these kind of food. And these you can follow. Now the best effective homeopathy medicine that can help you in getting rid of your smelly urine. So these are not the only medicine. There can be different medicine for different individual. These are couple of medicine I'm discussing, and these are again with the symptom similarity. So if you're watching on YouTube, you can find all medicines link below in description box. But don't buy all medicine, not required. You just go with your symptom, whether you are underweight, overweight, what all symptom you have. Are you having diabetes or UTI? So go with sepia. Sepia is a great choice among female when they have leukorrhea, they have even UTI, or they have like sour urine smell and fishy again smell in urine. So CPN associated with liver problem even, So this is the clinical quantity. You can go with even a smaller one. CPI is the main medicine name. This is the medicine strength 200. You can go even with the smaller 30. And this has dropper. So with the help of dropper, just take 1 or 2 drops 1 or 2 times and use it regular, minimum 2-3 weeks. Till the time you start seeing difference. It starts acidum nitricum. Acidum nitricum, again a very good remedy, almost number 1 top remedy in treating smelly urine in homeopathy. Acidum nitricum is given when you have the UTI, urine infection, even STD, sexually transmitted disease. You have sometimes gonorrhea, syphilis, or herpes, these kind of cases. And sometimes your urine has mucus or blood. So in these kind of cases, and this has horse urine smell, very strong, very unusual, very unpleasant. So you can start with acidum nitricum. Creosotum. Creosotum again comes in the trio of a smell or urine in homeopathy. So this is again a very good remedy in treating smelly urine. In creosotum, there is involuntary urination. You lost your urinary control, So if these are the symptoms and your urine is profuse, you have frequent urination, So you can take help of creosotum. Again, 30 or 200, 1 or 2 Apis mellifica. Apis mellifica we usually prescribe in kidney problem, whether you are having kidney cystic disease or you are having hydronephrosis or UTIs, even edema, swelling is there, burning is there, painful urination, dysuria, frequent urination, Apis mellifica, So burning urination you have. So with the help of dropper, again, see this is a different color. So you just go with the medicine name. This is the company's color. You might get blue or even red or like green, So you just with the help of dropper. Borax we usually prescribe in cases where there is a night frequent urination, and you have again frequent urination, UTI is there, and even the dysuria, painful urination. So you can go with Borax. Lycopodium, again a very good choice in homeopathy treating smell in urine. Lycopodium has digestion problem as well, So if you have digestion problem like bloated tummy, you have pelvic organ, they are infected PIDs cases, or you have a bloated lower tummy, lower abdomen, and there is frequent urination again. So you have even liver problem. So Lycopodium works amazing. Different medicine for different individual. For individual video or voice consultation, you can drop your message on WhatsApp number. Watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much. Thank you.